Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once your content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is press power button and volume up at the same time. So just a single click of both of the keys at the same time gives you the flash, and you have your little pop-up right here letting you know that you have captured this screenshot. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application, and it's going to be visible under Library as one of the newest things right here, or you can find it easier by going into the albums, scrolling all the way down, and here you'll find a screenshot album. And when you click on it, as you can see, there is the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.